Hello everyone, I hope you all fine and doing great. In last class, we concluded with the title that we start with next class in leverage analysis. Before we start with leverage analysis, I go with the most important chapter in the FM. That chapter will comes in same as company accounts also. Yes, you hear it right. That is the chapter is cash flow statement. That cash flow statement is comes in both FM and the company accounts. You take the FM book, that is a chapter number study note 7. This is cash flow analysis, tools for financial analysis and planning. That study note 7 is the cash flow analysis. We start with that. Okay. Before we see the study note, I want to tell some important topic, and you understand that all topic and go with the book and sums and formats. I take a whiteboard. Yes, the cash flow statement. Cash flow statement comes in both subject. First one, FM, and second, company accounts. Okay. In FM also, they compulsorily ask, in last attempt also, they ask 12-mark question. This is very important chapter. So you must understand the chapter in a conceptual, logical and conceptual way. In company accounts also, it definitely come more than 10 marks. You study once in a cash flow statement concept, it will be benefited for two subjects, FM and company accounts. It around 22 marks in both papers. Okay, let me start with the concept. Okay. There are lots of concepts in the cash flow statement. Don't follow the format and put the sums. Okay. Let me start. We see the sole proprietorship, partnership. They are doing the final accounts. In the final accounts, what we are prepared: trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. We prepare the three accounts, and it will be used for final accounts are used for sole proprietorship and partnership. In the company, they are showing the financial statements. What is the financial statements? Yes, there is also trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet, and added with the cash flow statement. Cash flow statement in the business, very important thing is the cash. Before we understand the cash flow statement, we start with the cash. In the business, very important thing is the cash. Okay. How you utilize it in the cash? If it is recorded, that is called as a cash flow statement. I repeat it once again. How you utilize it in the cash? If it's recorded, it is called as a cash flow statement. I start with the example, and you must be understand in detailed manner. Okay. First one. Here, year. In year 2019 and 2020. In year 2019, your cash balance is 10,000 rupees. Okay, you don't want that symbol. In year 2019, your cash balance was 10,000, and the year 2020, your cash balance was 28,000. If you say, if you simply say the difference of 18,000 is an income, I am asking you, this class will be going with the, I think if you are seeing this class, you just leave the comment. I asking any some questions, you just comment in the comment box. That will be this class, continue this class in efficient manner. Just comment in the comment box if I ask any questions. You can also comment now. In year 2019 and 2020, the cash balance in 2019 in 10,000, in cash in balance of 2020 and 2020 28,000. The difference between the 8,000 is the income. You simply say that that is the only income. You cannot tell that, because that 18,000 was there comes in expenses. They made any expenses, and it will come more income also. That is a flow of cashes. Yes, think practically. Don't tell simply that it only the income will increase. If you say that machinery, you can say that in machinery. Yes, machinery. 2019, 2020. You in the machinery, depreciation is a different concept. Depreciation is a different concept. You not consider this. We simply take as a machinery as an asset. In the machinery, year 2019, the balance was 1 lakh. And in 2020, the balance was 2,50,000. If you can say the machinery, the difference of 1,50,000, you can say the difference of 1,50,000 is what? Comment in the comment box. I hope you comment this. The 1,50,000 was purchases of machinery. It will be reduced, it will be increased purchases, machinery. It will be reduced, that is sales of machinery. Okay. In the machinery fixed asset, we can say if it is increased or decreased, we can simply say the purchases and sales. You know, not consider the depreciation. Without considering the in the sum, they are not giving the depreciation. You must simply say that increase the asset, that is a purchases. If you decrease the asset, sales. In the same concept in cash, you cannot say that tell that simply this increases is an income and the decreases is expenses. That's why we go with the cash flow statement. Here the cash flow statement. We exactly see where the cash utilized and how they utilized it. We see that in the flow of cash, where they goes and where they comes, all the things we can see in the cash flow statement. Okay, note it down if you want. I wait 2 seconds. Take a screenshot also. If you want, take a screenshot also. Okay. Where in the same case, again I take the concept. If you not understand that, I take in different manner. One second. Okay. Whereas the same case in the we cannot tell cash increases and decreases as income and expenses. In 2019, balance of 20,000, cash balance is 20,000, and that year of 2019 income was rupees 10,000. You just add it. It will come around 30,000. Then we less expenses, 8,000. It will come that 22,000. This is here 20 balance. You can utilize it in many ways. This is a format. The cash flows in income and the expenses like that. You can utilize it in many way. For you go to prepare the cash. For that you can go to prepare the cash flow statement. Are you clear with that concept? Now you have some glitches and you have some understanding in the cash flow statement in different manner. I think so. Okay. I give Meaning of cash flow statement. You note it down in your notebook also. This is the meaning of cash flow. This I explain it now. This only I explain it now in different concepts. What is a cash flow statement? Cash flow statement is the statement which shows how far you utilize the cash which the business have been earned. Okay. Next we go with the examples. Some example in different examples for other new concepts also. You note it down. I go with the next page. I continue on this page also. Right. Okay, next page it will be fresh and good. Okay. If I have a 10,000 rupees cash, I have a I have a 10,000 rupees cash. Okay. In the amount I utilized 2,000 for interest, 3,000 for fixed asset, in business they have 3,000 crore lakhs like that. In sums we simply recorded as a 3,000, 2,000 and 10,000. And okay, we spend like utilize the cash in these 5,000 and now you see the amount of 10,000 how you utilized it. 2,000 for 2,000 for interest, 3,000 for investment, fixed assets. Okay, the balance amount is 5,000 rupees. The balance amount is 5,000 rupees. The closing cash balance where I generated the cash and how it utilized it in the best way, that is called as a cash flow statement. You hear it now. Balance amount of 5,000 is the closing cash balance where I generate the cash and how I utilize it in the best way, that is called as a cash flow statement. I type it right. Balance amount of 4,000 is closing cash balance. Sorry, 5,000 is the closing cash balance. As our see, the 10,000 is a opening cash balance where I generate the cash, how I utilized it in the best way, that is called as a cash flow statement. Okay. Where I generate the cash and how I utilized it in the best way, that is called as cash flow statement. Okay, note it down in your notes also. You take a note as a notes. These are the meaning of the cash flow statement. You must understand with the meaning and conceptual wise. Then only you can understand how you derive the sum in an easy way and understand the logic, how it comes and go. This is a simple cash flow statement. You have been where you generate the cash and how you utilize the best way is called as a cash flow statement. Okay. In simple term, the cash flow statement is this only. Before that cash, before that we see that what cash includes what. Before we see that cash include what. Cash includes what? First one, wrote it down in your notebook also. Cash in hand in the business. Second one, cash at bank. This is cash. In the sums, there we have also called as a cash in different way. Cash and cash and cash equivalents. Okay, we see now cash only. We see later the cash equivalents also. Cash includes cash in hand in the business, cash at bank, where whatever we deposited in the bank. Okay, now you understand what is cash. If you consider cash in hand, cash at bank, both is cash only. Cash include what? Cash in hand and cash at bank. I hope you all are understand, and type it in the comment box also. You have type it. You have remember it. Anytime you have asked what is cash. Cash include not only the uh, cash in hand and also cash at bank. The deposit, whatever deposit in the bank. Okay. Next we see the important topic. Yes, in the cash flow statement, each and every topic is very important. You must understand each and every topic in the crystal clear way. Okay, I hope you all understand that concepts. Then we go with the new new concept. Just listen it. Don't don't just like watching the classes like the boring class, not like that. Just listen it. It is a very important topic, cash flow statement. The year 2019 and 2020. Okay, the year 2019 and the 2020. Cash balance was rupees 10,000 and 25,000. Okay. Um, Here the difference is 15,000. It will be maybe if you now tell that it will be maybe a payment or receivable. Okay. Now you tell that before the class you tell that it will be an income. Now you understand the concept. Now you tell that it will be maybe payment or receivables. Yes, I hope you tell the same also. Payment and receivables. Received. Just ignore my handwriting, please. This is a payment and this is a receivable. Payment was rupees 5,000 and the receivable was rupees 10,000, like that. We can say in the cash flow statement, what are the payment go the cash outside going payment is what do you mean by cash outgoing? That cash outgoing means in the different way we tell that cash outflow. In the received, you can receive the cash inside the business is known as cash inflow. Okay, this is the important word you must be understand. Cash inflow and cash outflow. The payments are known as cash outflow. The receivables are known as cash inflows. Okay. Cash comes inside the business means cash inflow. Cash goes outside the business means cash outflow. Okay. You note it down. Now you see the simple sum. Opening cash 10,000 plus cash inflow is equal to 10,000. That put in the same sum. Then total 20,000 minus cash outflow is we can take with 5,000. Balance is closing cash balance. Cash balance. Okay, that is 15,000. This is the format. Okay, you must be understand before that these all topic, that then only you can understand this format. Okay, this is a very important format. We can shortly we can also see this is a long format. We can shortest way. Opening cash balance is 10,000. Net flow of cash is 5,000. You can add it because it is plus. We get closing cash balance 15,000. This is the shortest way we can do. We can do. Okay. Now you have asked that what is net flow? Net flow. What is net flow of cash? Opening cash sorry. Opening cash minus closing cash. Sorry. Cash inflow minus cash outflow is known as net flow of cash. This is the concept of cash flow statement. We see the cash flow statement after this all understanding this cash flow statement concept, you go with the format. Don't in the after the classes also there is a lot of concepts there. I will explain in detailed manner. In next class, we see that continue with the part 2 of this class. This is the part 1 of the cash flow statement. I hope this all concept you all understand it. I give notes also. This all the pages. You take it as a notes also. Wait, I also take the notes. Okay, I hope you all understand. Thank you for watching. I take class for CMA Intergroup 2 paper number 10, cost and management accounting and financial management. This is, we see the part 1 of cash flow statement, and myself Raja Arun Kumar. Thank you for watching. I have also conducting the online test series for CMA Inter student. I hope you can also join my online test series, and the cost and other detailed demo class will be the video will be in this channel. You can also see that video. I hope you all understand the cash flow statement concept. This is a brief introduction of this concept. I will go with the elaborate and detailed manner in next classes. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, comment in the comment box and contact me at Telegram at CMA Raja Arun Kumar. Thank you. Thank you, Pradeep sir.